So hi guys, welcome back. In this video we will see how to rename a Google Sheet link. So guys, if you want to rename the Google Sheet link, so guys, it is very easy. First I am opening the Google Sheet, okay, and open it, and I copy one link of YouTube channel. Okay, now guys, here you see this is my column, and here if YT link, if I am normally paste a link here, so it look like this, a simple URL, but I want to put this in a particular word. Okay, so first press undo, then guys go to the option of insert, and in the insert section guys, here you see the option of link. You just click it, and guys after clicking here it asks for the text. So I am enter the name is gaming channel. Okay, here share or paste your link, so just paste your link. Now this is your YouTube link, and click on the option of apply. Now here you see this is your link. If you want to open, so just click, and it suggests the thumbnail, open in a preview, and otherwise you simply click and open it. So this is the simple way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.